It's great to see you here. Since you're watching this video, means you like to travel and see the world. But how to make travels more affordable and even profitable? Yes, exactly, profitable, which means you'll be able to travel absolutely for free and make it your profitable business, where just for sharing all the benefits of being a member of our unique exclusive travel club, you'll be rewarded with the free luxury travels on the cruises, as well as be rewarded with the real money which you can earn from $500 up to $100,000 monthly. Are you excited to learn about this amazing opportunity, or it sounds too good to be true? Well, that's actually absolutely possible with our Travelers Club. Imagine, wake up and enjoy your cruise in a luxury cabins in a comfort and a style, from swimming pools and a steaming jacuzzi with the most amazing view of both the gorgeous cruise and of the breathtaking sea, to a state-of-the-art gym with all the facilities you need to stay consistent with your workout routine and never get to skip a day all throughout the cruise trip, to the amazing buffet breakfast, lunch and dinner with the 5-star hotel services from the crew and a variety of cuisines to keep your taste buds and the tummy feeling great. Imagine enjoying the coffee flavors, tasty breakfast while watching the endless sea, and all is all-inclusive in your cruise package. And even more, in addition to the all mentioned, you have to make sure you have your cocktail dresses, high heels and the jackets for men to attend, and numerous events take place on board of the cruise ship, to attend elegant night events with the Broadway quality stage performances from the professional artists. So how about to explore different countries and cities? Imagine, just in 7 days cruise trip you can cover 3 to 4 countries and 5 to 6 cities, where you will be able to go out of the cruise ship and dive into a new culture and discover with your friends and a family, to create lasting memories and of course to fill your travel bucket list with the new destinations. Cruises are so much fun. The ship is full of activities from when you wake up to when it's time to go to bed. That's not even including the time you are off the ship. Cruises are what you make of them. You can be as active as you want or relax as much as you want. In general, cruises are designed for the enjoyment of these passengers and often include nightly entertainment. Every major cruise ship has a nightclub on board that can keep passengers partying till the wee hours of the morning. On board, nightclubs range from top deck dance parties to a flashy discos. And now it's time to share how you can become a member or a partner of our club. There are 2 ways to join our club. So first is to become a member of the club. Becoming a member will give you access to 3 incredible benefits. So first is access to our unique and independent cruise booking platform to see the direct prices from the cruise lines. Well, second thing, you will have your dedicated travel-only piggy bank. This means you can save $100 every month for your travels. And guess what? Each time your $100 savings will be doubled. Yes, you heard me right. Each time you save $100, you will get 200 reward points for your travels, which it means they are equals to $200. So imagine if you have continuously saved for 5 months, you have $500 out of your pocket, but you'll get 1,000 reward points, which you can use 100% to cover 50% of your cruise vacations. That's insane. And this is how you will always get a 25% discount on each and every of your travels. And that's only for members. So what about those who wants to benefit even more? Well, that's where becoming a partner of the company comes to play. As a partners, you are able to build your own business and share all the profits with the company. So just for sharing all the benefits of being a member of the club and spreading the word, you're rewarded with free travels and also get paid for your work. It is important to mention that you are not an employee, but a partner of the company, and you will have a fully packed and ready business with your personalized website, referral system, accounts, ready-made presentations, and all types of informations you need to build your successful business. Yeah, that's how it works. And you don't have to worry about rent, salaries, or operational expenses as a regular business owners do. All you need is your mobile phone, tablet, or laptop with your internet access, and you're good to go. This is fully remote business that allows you to work from any place you want at any time you want because you choose your work schedule and you call the shots. So, what are the benefits of being a partner? So first is that you are able to sign up a new club members and get paid for every sign up. This means the more members you're signing up, the more money you make. You get to become a free member when you sign up at least 5 members in your first months of being in the business. And if you join the club as a member and a partner, you get 50% off your travels. This is a life-changing opportunity available for everyone who wants to start to build their own life and travel the world while making thousands of dollars each and every month. So now you know all the mind-blowing opportunities of being a part of our incredible community of travelers worldwide. Surround yourself with the dreamers and the doers, believers and the thinkers, but most of all, surround yourself with those who, same as you, dream of traveling the countries and sail the 7 seas for affordable prices or even for free while making money. Join our big family of travelers. Contact the person who sent you this amazing presentation and welcome to the best travelers club all over the world in cruises.